Today is one of those days where I am so exhausted, I don't even know where I am. And the light looks very heavenly. Anyways, it is, I think, like 6 degrees outside, and it feels like -10. So, not excited. And I have been trying not to get sick, so I feel a little bit sick, and it sucks. And we're going to be cutting wood today, hopefully, and preparing for the next snowstorm, which is coming around Valentine's Day, which sucks so bad. And hopefully Jack will be here today, so you guys get to go thumbs down more videos because Jack will be in it, because you're all just mean, nasty people. So, anyways, you're not all mean and nasty. I have a lot of really good supporters, but I look very orange right here for some reason. My concealer doesn't like me. But yeah, so there's my kids. How's my kiddos?
Mommy, Cheeto.
He's mean. It is so cold. Can you see my breath? I feel like you can't see my breath. It's freaking cold. My skin doesn't like it. I'm cold and it sucks. And I'm gonna miss Jack. Where is he? That, not good. It's over. Did you break it? End of the world. What are you doing? Colton, look at the camera. Colton. 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 Apparently he doesn't like the camera anymore. By the way, this whole Valentine's Day thing is totally overrated. Please promise me you'll never get your girl flowers for $85, because she probably doesn't know it costs that much, and if she did, she'd probably be mad at you for spending it. Hi people, how are you doing? I just wanted to kind of close this vlog out because I really didn't film this much today. I wanted to. I'm losing my voice, so I sound like crap. But I was just filming a video about what I got my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. Ha 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 ha, and you don't know what's in it. Actually, there's really nothing in them right now, so. But there will be later. And it's gonna go in a cute little bag, and it's gonna be so cute, and he's gonna better love it. It'll be really sad. I'll be really, really sad. Anyways, just wanted to let you guys know that we're getting a blizzard tomorrow for Valentine's Day. Lucky us. But I just wanted to share my clips from today, and you guys can stop hating on the fact that I have a boyfriend. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I got a lot of views on my video, but a lot of hate on my last video. So, I don't, who's saying what? Hello. Just stop with the hate. Please. Please. Thank you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing more vlogs soon, probably tomorrow, because tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably nothing, because there's a snowstorm. Sad, Tanya. Anyways, love you guys.